Good day, everybody. How are you all? I hope you all doing great. So today we are going to work on stating the domain of a function in set builder notation. So here I go. Write the domain in set builder notation and in interval notation. The function f of x, you might say, is given as x plus 10 divided by 2x squared minus x minus 1. So in order to find the domain, set the denominator equal to 0. So 2x squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we got to factor this quadratic equation. So we multiply 2, which is the coefficient of x squared, with the constant term, which is minus 1. Now 2 times minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so we got to factor minus 2 into two parts so that we can get a minus 1x or minus 1. And that is easy. It is minus 2 plus 1. So 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2, which can be written as minus 2. Sorry, I got that wrong. So let me correct it. Okay. So minus 2. So factor of minus 2 is 2 and minus 1, right? And we know if we write 2 minus 2 and plus 1, that is also equal to minus 2 times 1 is also equal to 2, and this is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So this should be minus 2 and this should be 1. So factors of minus 2 are minus 2 and 1. Why? Because minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Okay. Also, minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Hence, we can write the x in the center as minus 2x plus 1x, which we write as x minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 2x plus x is minus x. Now, from the first two, we will take out the common factor 2x out, and it will be x minus 1. And from the second one, we take out the third and fourth term, we will take a 1 out so that we get the same factor, x minus 1 in the parenthesis. Now, if I create some space, so from the first two, or from this one and this one, x minus 1 is the common factor, and we are left with 2x plus 1. 2x from the first and 1 from the second. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 1 or 2x plus 1 equal to, no, I should not write this. I should not jump steps. So either x minus 1 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now, if x minus 1 is 0, then you add 1 on both sides, x is equal to 1. And if 2x plus 1 is 0, then subtract 1 on both sides. So 2x equal to minus 1, then divide by 2 on both sides. X is equal to minus half. Notice, so let me see, create some space. When x equal to minus half or x equal to 1, the denominator of the given function is 0. Hence, the given function is not defined. Given function is not defined at x equal to minus half and at x equal to 1. Okay, so how do we express the domain of x in the set? So first we will do the set builder notation. So domain of x in the set builder notation. Builder notation. Okay, is x. X is a real number. And x not equal to minus half, comma, x is not equal to 1 also. Okay, because at x equal to minus half and at x equal to 1, the denominator becomes 0 and the rational function is not defined. Okay, so next is how to write the domain of the set, domain of the function in interval notation. So domain of x in interval notation. Interval notation. And that is equal to, so we start from minus infinity, comma, you can go up to minus half. Then the function is not defined at minus half. So again, it is defined from minus half to 1. Again, it is not defined at 1. And so it is now from 1 to infinity. Okay, so these are the union terms, union, which is OR. Okay, so this is the solution for this problem. This is the domain of x written in both the set builder notation and in interval notation. In the set builder notation, x is such that x is a real number and x is not equal to minus half and x not equal to 1. In the interval notation, you can start from minus 1, x values start from minus 1 up until minus half, where it is not, the function is not defined. So the next domain is from minus half to 1 because the function is not defined at 1. And finally, the final domain is from 1 to infinity. So this is the interval notation. So I'll stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please do not forget to share this with your friend. You and your friends can subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. And my channel, Math Science Topia, has all kinds of math problems solved just for you. So please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. And please do not forget to check me out tomorrow when I'm back with a new problem, new solution. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. See you next time.